Hi students, I welcome you all to another English video lesson. In this video, I am going to explain to you Unit 8 Part 2, that is Maria Sharapova from the lesson Reach for the Top. Now, let's know the theme of the story. Maria Sharapova's mental toughness, competitive nature, hard work, and sacrifice won her number one position in the world in women's tennis. Her humble background and her temporary loneliness made her mentally tough and more determined. The hard work is always the magic mantra for success. The sports persons acquire the habit of working hard. It is the passion and determination which make them enjoy training and practice. The journey to number one. Maria Sharapova is a Siberian-born girl who reached the highest platform of women's tennis in the world. Her journey started from the plains of Siberia. Her competitive world began before she attained the age of 9 years. She came from nothing and had nothing. This made her hungry and determined. Due to her mental toughness, she bagged the women's singles crown at Wimbledon in the year 2004. In August 2005, she became the world's number one women tennis star. The sacrifices which Maria Sharapova had made. She had highly competitive desire since her age of 9. Maria Sharapova went to the United States when she had not yet celebrated her 10th birthday. She went there for training. Maria went to Florida for a training in tennis. There she felt lonely. She missed her mother greatly. She could not go with her due to visa restrictions. Her father also could not see her mother. Maria Sharapova's hard work. Maria was very young at the time of her training. She used to sleep early, while other tennis players would come around at 11 p.m. and they would wake her up and tell her to clean the room. This made her mentally tough and strongest. She learned how to take care of herself. She never thought of quitting. She always knew what she wanted. Maria Sharapova's love for Russia. Maria speaks in American accent, but she proudly admits that she is Russian. She says, I am Russian. It's true that the US is a big part of my life, but I have a Russian citizenship. My blood is totally Russian. I will play Olympics for Russia if they want me. Sharapova as a teenager girl. As a normal teenager girl, she is fond of fashion, singing, and dancing. She loves reading novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. She loves eating pancakes with chocolates and loves to drink fizzy orange drinks. She can't be put in any category. She looks straight and answers clearly. She cannot be pigeonholed, which means she cannot be a target or a victim to anybody. Maria Sharapova's thoughts. Maria is a straightforward player of tennis. She tells that she is very competitive and works hard for it. She has talent, a desire to succeed, and readiness to sacrifice. These qualities made her number one. According to her, money is also a motivation. Once she said, of course, money is a great motivation. Tennis is a business and a sport. But the most important thing is to become number one in the world. That's the dream that kept me going. Let's recap the highlights of the story. Maria Sharapova was a Siberian girl who became the world number one women tennis player. On 22nd August, she secured number one position in women's tennis. She was sent for training in the United States. She was separated from her mother for 2 years. She became mentally tough and learned how to take care of herself. She never thought of quitting tennis and went on working determinedly. She believes in working hard. She proudly says about her Russian nationality. Once she said, "My blood is totally Russian." She was fond of fashion, singing, and dancing. She finds money as motivation. Her dream was to become world number one, and this dream kept her going. Dear students, I hope you have understood the lesson on Maria Sharapova. Thank you.